So, today is the day ng aming hindi OT. Bukas pa yun. Thanksgiving sa review center. Tapos, alas 2, dapat pupunta na ako kay Latin para mag-ayos kami. Tapos, wala pa akong pambaba. Nag-order ako ng Monday ng white skirt. Tapos, alas 2, dapat pupunta na ako kay Latin. Ayun nga. Tapos, 1:59, dumating na siya. Ayan, pinlunch ko lang saglit kasi very lukot from the shipping. Hindi ko na nalabhan. So, buti na lang, 1:59, nag-text yung Shopee delivery na, ayun, andito na po ako, ganun. Buti na lang, okay, palit lang ako guys, then biyahe na tayo, punta na tayo kay Tin. Outfit of the day. Tintin.
Nag-load lang ako.
Ano pala, parang medyo tuwining yung phone ko sa damit ko. Hindi ko na...
Totoo. Sino ka dyan?
CEO of Char. We're here. Uy, magpakita ka naman, Tin. Alright. Uy, saan tayo? We are lost. Ang bango. First time ko dito.
Ako din.
Ay, first time mo din?
Uy, stick nga pala.
Ay! Hello. Ang ganda ng lighting. Sana hintayin nila tayo, no? Pakita kita. Yung outfit niya, Tis ganda yun. Yan. Prepare pa lang sila, guys. Uy, so malapit na lang kaya sa buffet. Sige. Ay. Pestuhan. Retouch na agad, di pa nag-start.
Yung isa ng late.
Top
1, top 2.
Hindi ako nakamotive.
Wala nila yung top 3.
Processional gaming. Top notchers. Top notchers din daw. Kay Jeremy.
Okay, guys, thank you so much kasi everything is just a dream. Kumbaga parang until now, hindi ako naniniwala. I talk with people, even people na hindi ko kilala dati, like at the ko. And we just form a team, no, to solve the problem of review during the pandemic time.
Francesca Eliza Tan, CPA. Next on, CPA. And congratulations from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Maine Santa Mesa, Miss Yana Jillian Cruz, CPA. And of course, coming from the University of Santo Tomas,
Speech muna, guys. Let's wait. Bago kumain.
I would like to express my gratitude to, of course, firstly, our parents, our friends, our professors, and our reviewers at Rayo.
Para sa'yo today ko. Chess.
Hi, maayong gabi. Gandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Hello po. So, nasabihan lang po kami mga 5 minutes. Sabihin ko lang po is, as a group po, ang goal po namin talaga is, ayun nga, to graduate together. Tas as Loudest, we share resources na kapag meron kaming resources, hindi lang namin siya kinikip for ourselves. Lagi namin sinishare sa friends and parang hindi yung pag-angat pang sarili lang. Dapat yung pag-angat sama-sama kami lagi. At mention din po ni Minute, since kami po yung type of friends na gusto sama-sama. Fun fact lang po, ang una po talagang na-invite sa Rio is si Jacob Abade, which is wala din po dito sa atin. And so siya lang din po yung parang nag-introduce sa amin sa Rio. Kaya kami naging 5/5 sa Rio. Also, after nung board exam namin, parang we also made, even prior board exam, we also made sure na pag sa prayers namin, talagang full name pa, para hindi malito si Lord kung sino yung papasa. And we also made sure na, Lord, 5/5 po sana makapasa. Hindi na po kami nag-hope for more, pero luckily, one of our friends po, which is si Sherlyn Perez, naging top 3 po. Hello po.
So, ang i-share ko lang po, yung mga nangyari, yung mga ibang nangyari po during review namin ng board exam. Huwag po kayo maingay. Sasabihin ko po kung ano yung secret para maging top notcher siya. Maghanap po kayo ng mawagwagan po sa group. Hindi, joke lang po. During review kasi, syempre, hindi naman may iwasan yung ma-stress, ganun. So, ayun nga, hindi rin talaga may iwasan yung parang nagwawagwagan na kami, ganun. Kasi si Cha, hindi siya naniniwala na matalino siya, when in fact, matalino siya. So, ang nangyayari, parang medyo naiinis siya sa amin pag sinasabi namin sa kanya na kayang-kaya mong mag-top. So, ayun, naniwala naman siya na matalino siya kasi nga nag-top siya. Ayun nga. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po sa Rio. Sobrang generous niyo po. Napakabait niyo po sa amin. And sobrang solid niyo po talaga. Sobrang solid ng lineup. Thank you so much po.
Yan. Thank you for that. Ayan ang sana all ang squad goals natin.
Dinner na po.
Tutuok daw muna with the celebrant. For table.
Table 1.
Bago daw mag-ano.
Andito na po tayo sa
Trauma ako sa apple.
quiet. Andito na po tayo sa favorite part of the night. Salad. Sopas yarn sis. Ano? Bilo-bilo. Thank you po. Chicken. Roasted pork. Thank you po. Pwede po humingi pa isa. Yay! Thank you po. Dinner time. Taray! Hi, model!
With the top one.
Hi, with the top one. Sarap. Tin. Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Good day, everyone. A pleasant evening to all of you. First of all, congratulations to my fellow CPAs. After many cancellations, thank God CPA na tayo. Hindi po kasi ako yung matalinong estudyante na ina-expect niyo. Makakalimutin ako. May aaralin ako ngayon, next week limot ko na yun. Kaya lahat, tinaan ko talaga sa sipag. Gigising ako na 8 a.m. every day, tapos mag-aaral na ako. 1 hour lunch break, 12 p.m. Tapos 1 hour dinner break, 7 p.m. na minsan nagiging 30 minutes na lang. Kasi di ko pa tapos yung aaralin ko. Di ako sumasabay kumain sa family ko. Instead, nanonood ako ng series habang kumakain kasi yun lang yung time ko para sa sarili ko. Pagdating ng 10 p.m., titigil na ako mag-aral at magpapahinga na ako. For 5 months, ganyan yung naging daily routine ko. Umaabot na ako sa point na sobrang sakit na ng likod ko, pero di ako pwedeng mahiga kasi madami pa akong dapat tapusin. Naglalagas na din yung buhok ko sa sobrang stress. Lahat ng sacrifices na ginawa ko para bumasa. Para maging CPA. Takot na takot akong bumagsak kasi ayoko na ulitin lahat ng pagod na yun. Little did I know na yung efforts na ginawa ko will make me top 1. I never prayed na mag-top ako, lalo na mag-top 1. I just prayed na sana masaklian yung efforts ko and na sana enough siya para maging CPA ako. Thankfully, it was more than enough. This proves that with the right amount of determination, persistence, and above all, faith, you'll become a step closer to reaching your goal. You need not be the smartest person in class, nor someone who knows it all. All you have to be is someone someone your future self would be proud of. Someone who took the chance despite all uncertainty and doubt. Which made me believe that the universe has a plan, and that plan is always in motion. I am happy to say that I am finally at the point in my life where everything is starting to make sense. Kaya pala nangyari yun, kasi mangyayari lahat ng to. To my family, especially to my mama, papa, mommy, and daddy, thank you for taking care of me. You were with me all throughout. You have witnessed my early morning and late nights. Thank you for all your love and support. I may not say it often, but I genuinely love and appreciate you all. To my alma mater, UST AMB College of Accountancy, headed by Dean Patricia Empleo, thank you for the 5 years of learnings you have instilled in me. It was more than enough. Thank you for molding us into the globally competitive accountants that we are. I hope that we made you proud. To Rio, which is led by Sir Rex Bangawan, thank you for giving me the knowledge I needed to pass the board exams. You truly are an example of real excellence. To all my professors and reviewers, I am grateful that you acted as our guiding stars in shaping our lives on the right path. To my friends, especially to Jisril, my study buddy, as well as her family, thank you for being my second home. To Carissa, her mom, and Kuya Alan, thank you for taking care of us during our board exam. Salamat po sa paghahatid sundo sa amin sa Pangasinan at sa pag-aayos ng babaon na kakainin namin araw-araw. CPA na po kami. To AJ, thank you for supporting me in my entire review journey. To Cha, my bestie, who's also the doctor. I am so happy I get the chance to share this moment with you. Topping the board is one thing, but sharing this achievement with one of my best friends makes it all the more special. We've been doing everything together for the past 5 years.
Thank you.
To our God Almighty, thank you for blessing me beyond my prayers. Until now, everything feels real. My life is lightened up with numerous opportunities that are coming my way. I still cannot believe that this humble achievement will be possible. The road to get the 3-letter suffix and blessedly to top the board exam was not easy. And now, I am starting to believe that all of these are part of His plans. Before I end my speech, I would like to share the quote that inspired me to keep going during my preparation for the board exam. Every day, you have 2 options in life. First is to sleep and continue dreaming, or second is to wake up and chase that dream. And in my case, I chose to do the latter, to chase my CPA dream. Remember that we make our own destiny. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. We survived the May 2022 Sipale, and we will continue to survive and thrive on our next journey. Padayon CPAs.
Team Rayo!
Kakilala ni Sandy. Oh my God. Parang hindi naman yan.
Next, we have Benveline Babaran, CPA. Kaya, CPA.
Napakatagal ko pa na
Clemente, CPA.
Ay! Nag-iba na.